Hello everyone, picture this. You're preparing for your first day at a new job. You've heard the dress is business casual. But what does that actually mean? Business casual can be confusing because it does not have one strict definition. In this lecture, we will explore exactly what business casual means, why it matters, and how to identify key elements that make up this popular dress code. Let's begin this. After going through this lecture, you will be able to define business casual and understand its purpose in professional setting. Recognize the key components of business casual attire for both men and women. Apply basic guidelines to choose outfits that fit a business casual dress code. Business casual is a dress code that blends elements of professional attire with more comfortable everyday pieces. It's the middle ground between formal business attire and very casual clothing. This approach keeps things comfortable but still professional, which is why so many companies use it. Experts like Anil Flusser, a respected American fashion designer, say that business casual is about striking a balance between professional and relaxed styles. He suggests starting with basic pieces like dress pants and a collared shirt as the foundation. Then add elements that suit your style and fit your workplace environment, such as a sweater, blazer, or modest accessories. Typically, business casual attire includes, for men, dress pants or chinos, button down shirts or polos, loafers, or similar professional shoes. For women, blouses, dress pants or skirts, closed toe shoe, and minimal accessories. Notice that certain items do not usually fit business casuals, like shorts, athletic wear, or very casual sneakers. The goal is to keep the overall look polished and ready for a professional environment while still being comfortable. Fashion journalist Tanisha Ford explains that business casual allows people to express individually while respecting workplace norms. She mentions that style is personal but also cultural, meaning the specifics of business casual may vary depending on the region or type of company. For example, a tech company may be more comfortable with jeans and sneakers, while a law office might lean towards blazers and dress pants. Now let's make this idea clearer with a story. Think of Sarah, who started her first corporate job after graduation. On her first day, she wore a full suit, thinking that was the only professional way to dress. Her colleagues, however, wore dress pants with sweaters or simple blouse and slacks. Sarah quickly learned that while suit was appropriate, it wasn't necessary for her workplace. She adjusted her wardrobe to fit her team's business casual style, keeping her look polished but comfortable. The lesson: observing and adapting to the workplace environment can be just as important as following a dress code. For a different perspective, let's think of business casual like a smart blend in coffee. Imagine you have two coffee types. One is strong and bold, like espresso, and the other is light and easygoing, like cafe au lait. Business casual would be somewhere in the middle. It has enough strength to be professional, but enough lightness to feel approachable and comfortable. Like the right coffee blend, business casual strikes a balance that suits a professional setting without intensity of formal business attire. To put this understanding into practice, try the following. Outfit observation. Observe what professionals wear in a business casual setting around you or through online media. Note the different styles and takeaways for both men and women. Alright, tell us, what are some ideas you think might fit or not fit business casual? Feel free to discuss examples you've seen in real life or ask questions about specific items in the comment section. To wrap up, we've discussed what business casual is, why it's used, and how to put it together with key pieces. You learned that business casual keeps a professional look but allows for comfort and a bit of personal style. Well, this marks the end of this lecture here. In the next one, we will discuss another aspect of business casual, so stick around.